So I would like to introduce you a new book. Maybe you feel very interesting. What kind of book I would like to show you? In front of you, you will see a puzzle and a ball, and then it's some picture, right? Yeah. The new book we are combined with the puzzle and the ball game and the book. So in this sounds book, they have the function like the toy function to play, to make the puzzle, and also have the book function. When you press the button here, they can tell you a lot of knowledge and story and music for the key. Also, it is a game. It is a game because in this book we have 5 different puzzle, and they have different sections. It's a challenger game. For example, the key they need to do the challenger to make the puzzle for 4 pattern, 5 pattern, and until to the 6th pattern. And this the difficult from easy to this from easy to difficult to for the key to play the game. Okay, how to play? Let me show you. Take this for example. Let's start from the easy one, because this only have 4 pieces. Let's take the let's begin from the easy one, because on this puzzle they only have the 4 pieces. So the key can put the puzzle here to make into or complete picture, right? This is a very easy one. Maybe for 1 or 2 years, baby they can do that. After that, you can open the button here, and on this board we have 5 different story and a lot of function and story and music to tell you more about the puzzle. For example, when the key press this puzzle here, when the press the start the button here, when you have to choose the puzzle to which one to match, and then you can start. You can press the start button here. Then they will tell the story about this, about the story for this map. Okay, and then you can. Okay. Okay, when you finish the puzzle here, you can press the button here. Here, they will give you some brief introduction about this puzzle, and you also can press the button here. They will tell you more knowledge about this puzzle, this picture. Yeah, they will describe different parts of the airplane for the key. Right? So they have 5 different buttons. When you press the button, they will give you different knowledge to explain. Okay, there is one. You can see from the board, and the second is the music. You can press the music and the key when they made the puzzle, they will more funny. And then he have the challenge to make the puzzle. For example, how short of the time, how many seconds, how fast they can make the puzzle, so they can have the calculation by the time, and they can let the key more. That means they can more interest the key to do the challenge to make the puzzle. Okay, there's the third function for this board game we made. Okay, and then you can train the challenger from second one to from the easy one to the difficult one, because this one only have 4 pieces, but on this puzzle they have 5 pieces, right? So you can play with your kid together and to accept more difficult challenges, right? Yeah, and encouraging the kid to make more difficult puzzle, and then the same.
交通工具总动员
You can match the picture here, and then you can get different knowledge and different information and different description for this picture, right?
窗外的风景真好看
Okay, and then here
交通工具总我们一起交通工具总动员
okay.
Wow,
Actually, the main difference is you have to choose the picture match the pattern here, and then they give you the right explanation. Okay. And here is the button to adjust the sound from big to small, the volume. And also here is for the challenger to do the competition to make the puzzle. Anyway, the last difficult section is for 6 pieces. Maybe this for 2 or 3 years. Maybe this easy one for 1 or 2 years, baby, and this one for 3 years, baby. And the function the same. So it's the new source book. It's the new source puzzle we publish, and also the first time in the market have this kind of book. So today I would like to present to you. You will have more idea, and you can contact me to know more.
交通工具总动员